Hello, Jammers. Today I'm going to revisit my very old account I made about 3 years ago. It's been so long since I've been on it. I'm serious right now. So I changed the password on it because hey, let me do this. I changed the password on it because I forgot it. So right. Oh my god, I'm actually freaking out right now. This this our first one. This was back when we didn't have these types of Jama journals. Mila 28, Move 500. Hey, hey, what is this? Yeah, it's also an old account, but that was last year, I think. Yo, Mila 18, that was my other account. We can visit that one too. We just call Mila 18. Pizza. What? Hola, precios. And then your mouth have. I don't have this one. Mine is pink. I have your. Please. Oh my god, this is so old. Wait. This is how old it is. This is how old this is. I really like it. I want to cry. I'm serious right now. Why can't Emma bring this back? Why can't you bring? See this one too. Pet party pets are here. Best friends jam time. I really like this one. Best friends. Let's have something good. Meet me in Jamal Township. Who are you, New Jammer? Are you so? Love band. Pretty F42. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's you. It's actually you. Oh my god. I'm seriously gonna cry. You have no idea how much. You have no idea how many memories I've had here. We all we were best friends. Best friends. Oh my god. I never thought I was gonna be this emotional. Cringe. I'm sorry. It's just that. Oh, pretty. Oh. Let's go to my den. Hi. Hello. Thanks. I seriously want to cry. These are all my old friends. Thanks, most of them I can't even see their usernames anymore. They've all quit. Hello. Oh wait. This is CC cast now. Hey, hi. Wait. Are they even? Yeah. No, not precious. This is. This was. Oh my god. Oh my god. 100 betas for a day. You better not delete her account. I am serious right now. This was my childhood. I loved it. I loved this place. I loved everything here. I always, hold on. I guess I transferred my stuff to my other account. Oh my god, I can even recreate my first look on here. What's this? This is what it was. I still never remember it all. You have no idea how much I love this game so much. I loved it with all my heart. But no. I miss how it was back then. I do not. Let me show you an update that I absolutely hate. I do not like this update at all. You may have a different opinion, but I do not like it at all. Want to go back to when there were actually people over here. It's where I spent most of my time. Oh, there's people here, but I'm just not remembered. I'd have like conversations all the way over here. This is where I traded my neon bow for 2 Animal Jam toys. And oh my god, it's just these memories I have of this game. See here, I unlocked everything besides the ones in Crystal Reef because I didn't able to find them. Yes, I miss this game so much, and I don't mean to cry on camera. I just miss it that much. I do not like it now. See, all my friends, including Pretty Giraffe. Pretty Giraffe. I always loved you as a friend. Oh, you're the best person in the world. You're the best. We'd be talking up here. We'd be down here. Wasn't that then we got banned? We did everything together, and I'm serious right now. I'd be waiting for her to get on. I don't like the new Animal Jam. It was back when this place wasn't here. And this too, there was Club Geos. Please, what happened? Someone tell me what happened. I am not used to this. I don't like this anymore. I've never gotten membership. Okay, these are all the achievements I have. 21 on the 25. All these achievements I have. Okay, let's visit my second account that I ever created. It just misses that account so much. And I can't go on my first account that I created on Animal Jam Play Wild because I played Animal Jam Play Wild when it still was a new game. Let's just say when it was in the beta days. Okay, so I already was on this account. These were the only items I had. The tiger was gray with these eyes. But it was the light gray. This was my den. I don't remember if I visited my other den. I mean, I can check on Mila 28. Yeah, 28 was also my first Roblox. I used to play Roblox all the time. But I stopped because first I forgot all my passwords and when they spell it wrong. Thing is, I'm proud of this password, my first long password, but yeah. So this was my dad back then. Not much. I have all this stuff. I might give away these accounts. Do they still have these sponge welcome mats? This is also back when underwater denims couldn't be in your land ends. Couldn't you only have 2 dens? You could have as many as you want to. Remember, like, it took a lot of time to get this one. I played a lot of the dolphin game. I played that a lot. This is just my childhood. I remember so much. Oh, I played family. Well, it's just not the same anymore. Do you understand? Look at all these people. It's pretty giraffe too. Where's giraffe? Was she on both accounts or only on this one? Okay, I miss her. You probably won't understand because most of you are probably not from when I played, but I miss everything. These were always my favorite. I always had no idea how you got the donut trays right there. They only looked right here. And then when you for childhood me. Yeah, most of you don't understand, but it's because I'm back from when I first joined it. See, look. I have the pro mode on this. This is all I would play. The only thing I would. Sorry, this video is already 12 minutes long, so after this, we're gonna end the video. And now, I know this video was longer than I thought it would be. See, but there's just computers, okay? I don't think I'm as good as I used to be. I never went for those. Okay, who has time to actually put the emotes? I like never put the emotes because okay, I'm not as good as before. I was better before. It's just so oh. See, that always happened to me. Oh, this game. You have no idea how much I miss it. I love this game so much. Okay, so I'm gonna have to end the video right now. You don't get 250 gems anymore. So I'm gonna have to end the video because my limit is 15 minutes, so goodbye. Bye.